Kenya's entertainment industry is in mourning. A cloud of sorrow hangs over our screens once again, following the heartbreaking news of the passing of Mama Bob, a beloved actress who captured out hearts through her warmth, humor, and mother charm in the popular TV series Machachari. Her death, confirmed by her sister Wanjiku Mburu, famously known as Mama Baha, has sent shocking waves across the nation. Fans, former castmates, and fellow actors have taken to social media sharing memories of the golden days when Machachari lit up our homes every Friday evening on Citizen TV. To understand why the loss of Mama Bob feels so deep, we must take a journey back to a time when Machachari wasn't just a show, but a family. Premiering on 2010, Machachari became one of Kenya's most loved television series. It told the story of children growing up in the informal settlement of Nairobi, their struggles, dreams, and even adventures. It was a mirror of Kenyan life, filled with laughter, lessons, and real essence of our everyday hustle. At the center of the show was Baha, the clever boy full of curiosity and wit, alongside his loyal friend Gofi. Then came Almasi, the rich boy who constantly reminded us of class differences but whose heart was often bigger than his ego. And then there was Mama Baha, and of course Mama Bob, the strong, nurturing mothers who held the community together. They were the glue that made Machachari not just a children's program, but a reflection of the Kenyan home. The show had everything: humor, emotion, and relatable struggles that cut across the generations. For nearly a decade, Machachari defined Kenya's family televisions. It wasn't just entertainment, it was culture. Every Friday night, living rooms fell silent across the country as families gathered to watch the adventure of these youngsters. But as years went by, the show evolved, the children grew up, the storytelling changed, and slowly the magic began to fade. In 2019, Citizen TV officially ended Machachari, saying it was time to make room for new stories and fresh talents. And just like that, a show that had defined a generation disappeared from our screens. Since then, life has taken the actors on different paths. Taylor Mbaya, known as Baha, remains one of the most visible faces. Building a brand on YouTube, acting, and content creation, he is now a young father, continuing to inspire many who grew up watching him. Malik Lamuel, who played Govi, took a quiet route, focusing on his education and occasionally appearing in local films. Almasi, whose real name is Ian Nene, shocked many when he moved to UK and embraced a spiritual lifestyle that surprised fans, showing the many directions life can take after fame. Others like Mama Baha and Tosh have stayed connected to the acting scene, though not always in the limelight. Sadly, a few former cast members, including Mama Bob, faded from public view. The absence only noticed when tragic news like this remind us of the passing of time. The Kenyan entertainment scene has changed drastically since the Machachari days. Today, digital platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Netflix have taken over. Young creators are rebuilding empires online, some things that wasn't possible when Machachari ruled the screens. Local TV, once the heartbeat of family entertainment, now struggles to hold the same influence. The innocence and the community that shows like Machachari brought are slowly being replaced by fast, viral content. But even in this new digital age, Machachari's legacy remains untouched. It reminds us that Kenya stories told by Kenyan actors can move millions. As we bid farewell to Mama Bob, we also honor the entire Machachari family for the laughter, the lessons, and the life they brought to our screens. She wasn't just an actress. She was a mother figure both on and off the screen. Her kindness, humility, and authentically inspired many upcoming actors. Her passing is a painful reminder of how fleeting life is and how quickly time has moved since those warm Friday nights filled with laughter and unity. So what next for Kenya's entertainment industry? Maybe it's time to go back to our roots, to tell more local stories that reflect the heartbeat of our society, to bring back family-centered shows that unite generations the way Machachari once did. Because in a world of fleeting trends and viral fame, the legacy of Mama Bob and her colleagues reminds us of an simple truth: stories told from the heart never die. Rest in peace, Mama Bob. Your laughter will forever echo in Kenya's living rooms, and your memory will live on the hearts of those who grew up watching you. This is TNG Media Kenya. Subscribe, and I wish to take this opportunity to send my condolences to the family, and God rest her soul in peace. Subscribe. My name is Omache.